If you've missed the last vlog, we moved. We left behind a wonderful English cottage garden and moved to France. Our new garden is also a blank canvas, but it already has wonderful edging. I've already started replanting a few things, so I hope you enjoy following along as we make this new garden our own. Hi everyone, welcome to a new garden. We have just moved to France and it's time to organize a new garden. Actually, we're still waiting for one truck to arrive, so I don't have all my garden bits, but there is still a lot that arrived and that we need to organize. Thankfully, in the new space, we also have a garden shed. It's in need of a clean outside and inside. I really need to clear the terrace and make it ready so that we can clean it and then organize our new sitting areas and where the containers are going to go. So I thought today we could organize the storage together. Let's do that. I think Simba has been waiting since we moved in to go and inspect this area. This is the shed. It's quite a nice space. There's already some shelving over here that's going to be very helpful. Simba's still ruffling around. And over here, a really lovely window. I think this is going to be a great area for starting more seeds if my cold frame are running out of space. So she's also very curious. Hello. I'm thinking this back wall here could have all of my containers, but here we are. It's a bit of a before. The first thing I want to do is set up these shelves. We already mounted them and I'm thinking they might be really good for storage. They're very sturdy. They have 5 levels. I think they're going to be really good. All right, I only have 2 so far because the third one we're using in the kitchen temporarily. And we made a bit of a mistake when we set this one up, but I guess it's also nice to have something that's a bit taller. We'll see what we put there. And there should be a third one over here. I think in the meantime, I'm going to use another piece of shelving. Simba, I leave you alone 5 minutes. What are you doing? Okay, I grabbed a few cleaning supplies. I don't think it got attention in a little while. So I something to dust, a little pan. I don't have my big industrial one. I don't think it arrived yet. So we'll make do with the one for the house and hope it doesn't get too dirty. Ah! Look at that. I found a stack of tiles behind the door. There's still like a bunch of offsets that I haven't used, but I was thinking I can hide that really ugly hole that's gonna catch all the debris. I mean, it's not the best looking. I'm probably gonna end up getting a mat, maybe a washable outdoor rug, but just ended up recreating that cute pattern. I have no idea where those tiles are coming from. They're used nowhere in the house. things so far arrived broken, but during the unloading I lost, I think, only one saucer, so that's not too bad. I guess that's the cost of moving. Also for succulents, you just need all the sizes. I was like, I'm almost done with the small things. And then I remembered I still had a huge bag in the garage. Oh, my little bird cage. Oh my gosh. I love this. It's so beautiful. We can put our baskets behind. Welcome to my little she shed. All right, so I ended up using that little board that already had some nails to place my hand tools, at least the ones that I could hang. So at least they're easy access. And over here, I'm probably gonna get a box and always keep my pruners and a pair of gloves on end so that it's really easy to nip in and out and just grab the things. Same for those tables. We have a nice surface here to do some projects. Inside, well, I still need to clean the window, but I use one of my little trays here for some seed sowing supplies, so some labels, a pen, the little sieve for the compost, some cell pluck trays. Here I managed to create little shells with terracotta pots of different sizes. So everything is really easy and on end to grab. The streamer over there. I don't like this too much. I think I still need to, again, find a nice container for this. Here I have some more random containers. Not sure what I'm going to use here, but we'll see. And then over here, I'm going to hang my wreaths. Here I have some trays, some bulkier items, all the things. So my favorite urn, all the planters, some glassware, some endle, the metal stuff over here. I popped some end tools in the corner. I might get a rack or build one, but for now this will do just fine. And then over here, the top shelf is probably going to be a little bit out of reach for everyday use, but I still might pop a few things on there. I have a window box here that I might pop just on the shed window. Then my knee pads, a bunch of things. Again, I need some boxes. Here I have some like old wipes and things that I used to clean. I organize all my products, some lawn seeds, and then all the fertilizers, bug control, and then some things for like ants and stuff. Here I have some vermiculite, but I might pop it on the other side. I'm not sure yet. Some end tools. I need a better organization, but for now they're just in a crate, and some spare gloves. Didn't this turn out so great? We're ready for the new growing season. Now it's time to tackle this situation. The terrace really needs a clean. Here I'm probably going to pop my 2 little cold frames, but they haven't arrived yet. And I was thinking possibly my little cute shelf and the potting table so that they're easy to grab. And this is probably going to be a working area. No! Oh no. I can't separate them. Oh! Oh! Oh, that moved. Come on. Am I making it worse? Possibly. Haha! Then the weather got pretty bad, so it was a couple of days before I could head over outside again and finish our cleanup. There are a lot of weeds growing in between each tile, so I thought I'll try to get a head start and remove this, but it will probably still need a deeper clean with a high pressure tool. For now, at least we can get rid of those unsightly weeds. Okay, this is how it looks so far. There's 1 week of rain and probably winds on the forecast, so I know that all those leaves are gonna blow back, but for now it looks cleaner. I popped our 2 fire pits under there, and then my potting table, and then that cute little shelf. Not sure we're going to have a glorious show because I had to replant everything a bit in an emergency, but we do have some scary blooms that are coming. And those are the other tulips. Look at that. They're also, considering what they went through, I'm actually already pretty impressed that they've straightened out. Most of them are looking so much better. On the other side of the terrace, this is where I popped all the roses and the spring bulbs that I managed to save. And they're looking so good. Look at this. They're all green, they're all still growing. A lot of them have straightened out. Look at that. This is looking so good. I wasn't sure what to expect, but this is just great. Look at that. We're very close to bloom on the hyacinths. This is going to be lovely. We still have a sofa that needs to come through, and we also want to add a table and chairs for entertaining, but also to have a nice area where we can just enjoy outside. So I'm not really sure where this should go. I'm thinking possibly that could be one of the things that I use to shield the view over there, or we could leave it here, or pop it there at the back for that second height. Possibly we could use it over here, but we wouldn't see it very well. This is also another entry to the living room area. Let me know where you would place this. when editing this video, I actually realized I hadn't filmed an outro for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed cleaning up my shed with me and getting my garden ready for the new season. I'm really excited about the new season, and it's really great that we arrived here just on time to get ready for that. So next week I'm sharing with you a huge dahlia haul with all the new varieties that I'm growing this year. I can't wait to show you. I think you're gonna love them. Also started a bunch of seeds already, so I'll share that with you also. I'm planning to create a wonderful mixed rose border. That's gonna be a great project. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey Simba. So handsome. Full rosemary plant flowering right now.